name is Muhammad Hazim Hakimi bin Amir. My metric number AA231181. I will present on chemistry in the food industry. Food preservative. Certain food can be preserved using various operations such as pasteurization, sterilization, and drying by applying heat to the food to kill the bacteria present on it. For example, pasteurization be detected enzymes that contribute to food spoilage. Enzymes are proteins that help speed up metabolism of chemical reaction. Fishermen drying fish to remove water from it which inhibit the flow of metabolism. Dry fish also can be stored for a long period of time without refrigeration. Next, chemicals such as benzoic acid and calcium carbonate can also be used because it helps slow down and prevent the growth of microorganisms on food. For example, chili sauce contains benzoic acid as a preservative. Calcium carbonate is also used as preservative in bread and other baked goods to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria.
My name is Mama Afif bin Mispan, and in my part, I will explain the chemistry in cooking and baking. So basically, a lot of chemical process heavily involved in cooking and baking as the ingredients itself is made up from many chemical compounds. When cooking, raw ingredients are heated to increase the rate of chemical reactions which transform it into a delicious meal or new ingredients. One of example we can see here is caramelization. Caramelization refers to a slow cooking process that occurs when sugar is cooked over low heat, causing change in its appearance and flavor. The chemical process that causes caramelization is called pyrolysis. Through this process, the sugar in a food oxidizes, taking on a brown color and a rich, slightly sweet and nutty flavor. After that, the change of temperature in some ingredients also will result in change of the food texture. For examples, the butter and vegetable oil. The main difference between these two ingredients is that butter is mostly saturated fat, so it is solid at room temperature. Meanwhile, vegetable oil is mostly made up from unsaturated fat, which make it liquid at room temperature. So the question is why there is a difference in the physical properties for both ingredients. The reason is because saturated fat is a fat which contains saturated fatty acids, while unsaturated fat is a fat which contains unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acids have hydrocarbon chains connected by single bond only, while the unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds. The existence of these double bonds cause unsaturated fat having a lower melting point because the bond between the molecule is weak, thus less heat are needed to break it apart. Lastly, in baking, sodium bicarbonate are used along with acidic ingredients to produce carbon dioxide, which cause the dough or batter to rise. So the diagram here shows the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. We can see that when acetic acid is introduced to an aqueous sodium bicarbonate solution, an acid-base reaction, also known as neutralization reaction, occurs, resulting in the formation of sodium acetate salt and water, as well as the release of carbon dioxide.
Hello, my name is Aiman Fitri and my matrix number is 232070 and I will be covering topic about flavoring. Is it common for food to have a flavor, especially in processed food or fast food? Did you know that the most of processed food have artificial flavors? Let's take a look at the science behind it. In chemistry, flavoring means using different chemical stuff to make and improve certain tastes or smells in food and drinks. Many different chemicals help cause the range of flavor we taste. Ester, like those in fruits, add a fruity and flowery taste to the tongue. Ester is an organic compound which is formed through a process called esterification, when a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol. Next, ethyl vanillin, a fat version of the flavor vanilla from labs for cooking and baking. It adds nice taste like a genuine vanilla, does but keep well when used in food preparation. People often enjoy it over a real one because its strength doesn't change or go bad, so much as natural ones sometimes do. Next, ethyl butyrate, a type of chemical called an ester, gives off sweet and fruity smells like pineapple. It helps make things smell yummy and enjoyable. Secondly, MSG, or known as monosodium glutamate, is a type of salt related to an acid named glutathione. It helps food taste better and adds the desired umami flavor we all love. Lastly, capsaicin, a strong chemical found in hot pepper, gives a spicy food its burning sensation and flavor. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through the fascinating world of chemistry and taste. As we conclude, remember that every bite is a unique dance of molecules, and the magic of flavor lies in the careful orchestration of these compounds. Each of these chemicals adds a different load in taste, bringing more smoothness and fun to the food eating time. It on special note to the symphony of taste. Sincerely from Group 37. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.